Craveners, it's been a while since I've been back, but I'm here with a video to open a factor box for you guys. Happy New Year's, by the way, and I'm going to be more consistent on this channel, so I figured I'll start it out with a nice gift box from Factor. This video is not sponsored. I ordered this with my own money, and this is what I got. So I'm just going to open it slowly for you guys to see if you all are interested in these products. I mean, they say it's easy and it's more affordable than actually going to the market. So let's see if what they sent in the box is tasty. That right there looks tasty, but I don't really know what I got in the box. So let's see. Sit back, take a ride, and tell me how you feel about the box in the end of the video. And I'll be back this week with a lot more cooking, a lot of cooking. You guys are really going to enjoy it, and it's going to be out of the country type of cooking. So I feel like you guys should subscribe right now if you're not, and join Cravings in the City, because we have a lot coming for this channel in 2025. Now open your first gift box, guys, of 2025, and tell me in the comments, like I said, if you like this video, if you like the things that Factor sent. So in the beginning, I just was showing you guys the front of the box, but stick around. I'm actually going to open up the box so you guys can see what type of food is in there. So this is ground pork, tomato ragu, fuzi. Is that fusilli? I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that's what's in this box. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open each box so you guys can see what's in it. And I think these boxes are, I'm not sure if they're oven safe, but they're definitely good for the microwave and maybe for your air fryer. Honestly, so far the food looks great and healthy, so I would suggest that the Craveners get some of these. Order this box. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out though, and maybe in the next video I'll, tell you guys how it went, what it tastes like, if I had to add a little salt and pepper, you know how that goes. But just by looking at them, it looks really good, and they packed it really well. They put like a big frozen piece of ice in there, and keeps it cold and fresh. You can just put it right in your freezer or your fridge when you get it and pop it in the microwave or the oven. I'm not sure, I would have to read the directions, but yeah, this food is looking very healthy and good. So far this one's looking quite yummy. Chicken. That's shredded chicken, guys. I don't have my glasses on. Like Bear with me, but this one looks yummy. Let's open the next one. So these are the dinners that I got in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, 6 boxes. And you guys see all the flavors and meal preps that are here. I feel like if you work and you're really busy and you need time to make yourself a decent meal, just order a Factor. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but because I work so hard on my other channel, which I will link down below, get you one of these. Thanks for watching, Cravers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.